First released in 2009, the X1 was based on the 3 Series and featured a rear-wheel drive layout as standard. Initially, it was positioned as the smallest SUV in BMW's lineup, aiming at a wider range of customers thanks to its smaller size, increased efficiency, and low price due to the all-wheel drive system. X1's new powertrains include a turbocharged 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder petrol, inline 3 diesel, inline 4 diesel mild hybrid, petrol plug-in hybrid, and an electric variant. This option is not available in the US or Canada. Base models of the BMW Roman 9-3, for example, are front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive is optional. BMW's redesigned X1 has an updated interior similar to that of the iX, i4, and 2023 3 Series, which includes a 10.25 inches digital gauge cluster and a 10.7 inches center display. BMW reports that the X1 has grown in size, boasting a 53mm increase in length compared to its previous model, a width increase of 24mm, and a height increase of 44mm. The X1's wheelbase has also grown, now measuring 22mm longer. X1's front end has been designed to give it a much greater sense of presence, says BMW, and is complemented by LED headlamps. The LED headlamps are available with pulsating turn signals, matrices, and variable light throw options. LED tail lenses complete the package. BMW offers an M Sport package that includes adaptive suspension, which is a new feature for the X1, along with a lower ride height and special interior and exterior design element. The X1 features a more contemporary interior design, including a toggle switch for gear shifting, a floating center console, a fully digital dashboard, and stylish accents like textured speaker grills. Dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and a power liftgate come standard on all models. A panoramic sunroof is available as part of the convenience package, and heated front seats and a heated steering wheel can be added as separate options. The price for BMW X1 starts from $40,000. The Mercedes-Benz GLA is a small-size luxury crossover SUV manufactured and marketed by Mercedes-Benz. It is the smallest SUV the company sells. The Mercedes GLA is available with a selection of petrol and diesel 4-cylinder engines and can be equipped with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, which Mercedes markets as 4MATIC. Mercedes-Benz's first attempt at a coupe car. The second generation was introduced in December 2019 and its chassis number shares the similarity with its sibling, W247 B-Class and GLB. The Mercedes GLA is 15mm shorter, 10mm narrower, and 104mm taller than its previous generation, but has a longer wheelbase, extended by 30mm. It also offers 116mm more headroom, 45mm more elbow room, and 43mm more rear shoulder room. The ground clearance has increased by 9mm to 143mm, and the front seats are positioned 140mm higher than those in the A-Class. Despite this, the front seat headroom has increased by 22mm compared to the previous model. The GLA features a suspension system that includes MacPherson struts in the front and either a torsion beam or multi-link suspension in the rear, with the option of variable damping control. Inside, it mirrors the design of other MFA2 Mercedes models, including a dashboard with a standalone digital display panel, the MBUX infotainment system, and advanced features like a color heads-up display. With 4 diesel and 4 petrol models on offer at launch, the GLA 250e plug-in hybrid model was revealed in March 2020. Mercedes offers the GLA 250, GLA 4MA TIC, and the Mercedes-AMG GLA 35 4MA TIC in the United States. In 2020, Mercedes-Benz launched a battery electric version of the GLA called the Mercedes EQA, making it the third battery electric SUV offered by the brand. The price for Mercedes GLA starts from $45,000.